Ever pondered the workings of social media marketing? In the digital age we live in, social media marketing has emerged as a powerful tool for businesses, big and small. As our world becomes more and more connected, social media platforms have become the new marketplace. With billions of people logging in every day from every corner of the globe, the potential to reach a broad audience has never been greater. But what makes social media marketing such a game changer? Well, it's the ability to engage with customers in real time. Traditional marketing methods, such as print advertisements or television commercials, are one-way streets. They broadcast a message but don't allow for interaction. Social media marketing, on the other hand, is a two-way street. It allows businesses to not just broadcast their message, but also to listen and engage with their audience. This engagement can take many forms. It could be a business responding to a customer query, a brand sharing user-generated content, or even a company handling a complaint. This level of interaction helps businesses build relationships with their customers, fostering loyalty and promoting word-of-mouth marketing. Beyond engagement, social media marketing also allows businesses to promote their brand in a creative and dynamic way. With a variety of content formats available, from text and images to videos and live streams, businesses can showcase their products or services in a way that resonates with their target audience. Finally, social media marketing can significantly increase sales. With features like shoppable posts and direct links to online stores, social media platforms have made it easier than ever for customers to make a purchase. And with detailed analytics available, businesses can track their performance and adjust their strategies for maximum impact. So whether you're a local bakery looking to expand your reach, a tech startup aiming to build brand awareness, or a well-established brand seeking to engage with your audience in a new way, social media marketing can help you achieve your goals. Understanding the process of social media marketing is key to harnessing its full potential. Diverse platforms exist for social media marketing, each with unique attributes. Let's delve into some of the main ones. First up, we have Facebook, the social media giant. With over 2 billion active users worldwide, it's a platform that spans generations and demographics, making it a versatile tool for marketers. Businesses can create pages, groups, and ads to engage with their target audience. And with its robust analytics, Facebook allows you to track your reach and engagement, making it easier to fine-tune your strategies. Then there's Instagram, a platform that thrives on visual content. It's especially popular with the younger crowd, with a user base primarily under the age of 35. Brands can leverage Instagram's visual nature through appealing images, short videos, and stories, which can be a powerful way to showcase your brand's personality and products. Twitter, on the other hand, is all about brevity and real-time interaction. With a character limit on posts, it encourages concise, catchy content. Businesses can use Twitter for quick updates, customer service, and to join in on trending conversations, making their brand more relatable and accessible. LinkedIn is the go-to platform for professional networking. It's a space where businesses can establish their industry authority, share professional insights, and connect with other businesses and professionals. It's particularly effective for B2B marketing, where the aim is to generate leads and build professional relationships. And last but not least, YouTube, the second largest search engine after Google. It's a platform that caters to an extensive demographic, making it a potent tool for marketers. Businesses can create and share videos to inform, entertain, or educate their audience, fostering a more profound connection with their brand. Understanding the demographics and user base of each platform helps businesses target their marketing efforts more effectively. It's about knowing where your audience hangs out and meeting them there with content that resonates. Choosing the right platform is the first step in effective social media marketing. A well-defined strategy serves as the backbone of successful social media marketing. So let's dive into the steps to craft an effective social media marketing strategy. First and foremost, setting clear and measurable goals is crucial. What do you want to achieve through your social media presence? Is it brand awareness, increased website traffic, or perhaps enhanced customer engagement? Whatever your objectives, make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In other words, SMART. Next, identifying your target audience is key. Who are you trying to reach with your messaging? Knowing your audience's demographics, interests, and online behaviors can help you tailor your content to their preferences and needs, leading to higher engagement rates. Now, let's talk about content. Creating engaging content is at the heart of any social media strategy. This could range from informative blog posts and eye-catching infographics to entertaining videos and interactive quizzes. Remember, your content should always provide value and reflect your brand's identity. Scheduling your posts for optimal reach is another crucial aspect of your strategy. It's not just about what you post, but also when you post. Take into consideration the times when your target audience is most active on social media. There are several tools available that can help with scheduling your posts at ideal times. Interacting with your audience shouldn't be overlooked either. Respond to comments, answer queries, and actively participate in conversations. This not only boosts engagement, but also helps build a strong relationship with your audience. Lastly, monitoring your metrics is essential to measure your success and identify areas for improvement. Keep track of likes, shares, comments, and other key metrics. This data will provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to adjust your strategy accordingly. A thought-out strategy is crucial to achieve your marketing goals. So take the time to craft a well-rounded social media marketing strategy and watch as your online presence flourishes. Content is king in the realm of social media marketing. This phrase may sound like a cliché, but it underscores an essential truth. In the vast and varied landscape of social media, the only way to stand out is through compelling, captivating content that resonates with your audience. Consider the sheer variety of content types at your disposal. Images, for instance, are a powerful tool for conveying a message or an emotion quickly and effectively. They're easily digestible and shareable, making them a staple in any social media marketer's toolkit. Then we have videos, another potent medium. Videos have the unique ability to tell a story in a dynamic, engaging way. They allow you to showcase your brand's personality and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Whether it's a behind-the-scenes look at your operations, a tutorial, or an emotional narrative, videos can be incredibly effective. Infographics, on the other hand, are perfect for delivering complex information in an easily digestible, visually appealing format. They're great for educating your audience about a specific topic or illustrating data in a clear, concise way. Blogs are another content type that shouldn't be overlooked. They allow you to dive deep into a topic and provide value for your audience. They're excellent for establishing your brand as a thought leader in your industry. But creating great content is just half the battle. You also need to ensure that it's seen by the right people. That's where hashtags and captions come into play. Hashtags are like signposts that guide users to your content. They increase visibility and can even help you tap into trending topics. Captions, meanwhile, give your content context. They can add depth to your post, evoke emotion, or even incite action. A well-crafted caption can make all the difference in how your content is received. So, as you can see, creating engaging content involves much more than just posting a pretty picture or a catchy slogan. It's about telling a story, connecting with your audience, and providing value. Engaging content is the heart of any successful social media marketing campaign. Let's recap the key points in social media marketing. We've explored the immense power this form of marketing holds in its ability to reach vast audiences and foster direct communication with customers. We've examined the various platforms at our disposal, each with their unique user base and features. From Facebook to Instagram, Twitter to LinkedIn, choosing the right platform is crucial to effectively target your audience. We've also delved into the art of crafting a comprehensive social media marketing strategy. This involves setting clear objectives, identifying your target audience, and planning engaging content that resonates with them. Speaking of content, we've underscored the importance of creating captivating posts. Remember, it's all about striking a balance between what your audience wants to see and what you want to convey. So there you have it, a brief but comprehensive guide to navigating the world of social media marketing. With these steps in mind, you're well on your way to mastering social media marketing.